In today's video, I'll show you how to add packages in Acuity Scheduling, step by step. If you want to sell bundled services, offer discounts, or encourage clients to book multiple sessions at once, packages are a great option. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left side menu and open the Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions section. This is where you manage all bundle-based offers. Now click on Create New Package to start setting it up. Next, give your package a clear name. For example, you can name it 5-Session Coaching Package or Monthly Wellness Bundle, depending on your service. After that, set the number of appointments included in the package. This defines how many sessions the client can book using that package. Then set the price. You can offer a discounted rate compared to single sessions to make the package more attractive. Now choose which appointment types the package applies to. You can restrict it to specific services or allow it for multiple services, depending on your business model. Next, set an expiration rule if needed. For example, you can allow clients to use the package within 30, 60, or 90 days. After configuring everything, click Save Package to activate it. Now your package will appear on your booking page, and clients can purchase it during checkout. Before finishing, test the booking flow to make sure the package works correctly and applies to the right services. Packages are very useful for increasing revenue, improving client retention, and encouraging long-term bookings. And that's it. You've successfully created packages in Acuity Scheduling and built a better pricing system for your services. And that's how you add packages in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.